Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change Subaru Outback cabin air filter, updated. Park on level ground, turn off the engine, and open the glove box. Remove stops and lower the glove box to reveal the filter cover. Unclip the cover, slide out the old filter, and note airflow arrows. Clean the housing with a cloth, insert the new filter in the correct direction, reattach the cover, and restore the glove box. Prepare by removing any contents from the glove box and letting it hang down. Use gentle pressure to disengage the stops and allow enough room to access the filter housing. Unclip the housing cover and slide the old filter straight out to avoid scattering debris. Inspect the filter for dirt, leaves, or mold and vacuum the cavity if needed. Then slide in the replacement filter, secure the cover, and test the glove box operation. After replacing the filter, run the fan on high to confirm airflow and check for unusual noises. Keep a maintenance log noting the date and mileage of each change to stay on schedule. If you detect persistent odors or reduced airflow, recheck installation and consider a higher grade filter. Regular filter changes improve HVAC efficiency, reduce allergens, and protect the blower motor from premature wear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.